Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's been a hot sec since you've seen me sit down, hasn't it? Hasn't it? I think it has. Today's video is going to be all about me and this makeup. Okay, this is my everyday summer glowy. Why am I doing this? Okay, chill. Okay, this is going to be all about my everyday summer glowy makeup routine type deal. And like, to be completely honest, I do not do this every day. I know it says everyday makeup routine. I kind of averaged it out, okay? Because there are some days in the summer that I don't put jack shit on. But that doesn't make a video now, does it? There are also some days that I go all out, like false lashes, colorful eyeshadow, 4 colors of, no, that's a lie. I don't never do 4 colors of lipstick. But I do go out some days, so this is meeting in the middle. Okay? Don't wear this to the pool. It will not stay on, okay? If he takes you swimming on the first date, good luck. So like, without further ado, let's just get into the video. If I look sunburnt, it's because I am. A little red. So let's get started, shall we? So we're gonna start off with a mixture of 2 foundations. I usually don't do super heavy foundation when I go out in the summer because like it's hot and I don't want it to just like slide off my face, you know. So we're gonna use the It Cosmetics CC cream. This has SPF 50. Protect your skin. Don't get melanoma. Is that what it is? Is melanoma the skin cancer? And then I'm also going to put a little bit of this Tarte Hybrid Gel Foundation. This is light medium beige. It's a little bit dark for me, but when I mix it with this stuff and then add concealer later, it's fine. And I'm not even going to use my beauty blender at first. I'm literally going to go in with my hands. The OG blender. CC cream first. Squirt. 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 That's cute, right? Hi, Bean. Hi. So now we're gonna go in with the hybrid gel. Now, Shape Tape. And I really don't use very much of this. Now we're going with the beauty blender. Dampened. Can you see my cat? Say hi, Bean. In Arizona, honestly, summer kind of sucks because it's hot as a mother. And now we're gonna contour your damn face. I did not tell you what this is. Okay, this is Wet n Wild's Megaglo makeup stick. You've probably seen me use this before if you watched my videos. This is super dark, so I really like will use a little bit. This is a complexion buffer from EcoTools. This is like my go-to contour brush because it's flat and it moves this product really well. Just gonna blend that bad boy in. All around in the summer, I don't use nearly as much product. I just feel more comfortable when I know I'm not gonna roast my makeup up. Your skin in the summer is supposed to be like glowy, so I actually don't set my entire face in the summer. I usually do because I don't like the fact that my foundation will move around if I don't set it. But in the summer, I don't use enough for it to like smudge on a lot of things I don't feel like. So I literally just set under my eyes and like wherever I put concealer. For eyes in the summer, I'm gonna use a warmer brown. But first, this is Tartelette in Bloom. This is the palette that I literally go to whenever I need to do like neutrals. I'm gonna go in with Charmer and Flower Child, which are the 2 top shades. And then I'm just gonna set my entire lid because I have eyelid veins that pop through a lot. And then I'm also gonna cover up this zit a little bit more with another blending brush. I'm gonna go in with Smarty Pants, which is this warm brown right in the middle. And we're just gonna put that in my crease and blend it out kind of as like a transition shade, but this is gonna be like the extent of my eye makeup. So, and like, I should probably explain that like I do not do this by any means like every day. If I'm just gonna be laying out by the pool, you best believe that just sunscreen's going on and like nothing else. Why would I put makeup on if I'm gonna be wet, you know? Or if I'm gonna sweat a lot? Like, no. Okay, fun fact, I have noticed that my eyes are getting more and more green lately. A little bit weird, My eyes used to be totally brown, and now the outside of them, I think the outer ring, is turning green. We're gonna move on to my brows. Brush these bad boys out first. Ew, get out of there. Honestly, like my eyebrows kind of frustrate me because they're definitely not symmetrical. Ew! I'm gonna zoom you in real fast while I do this. Hello. In summer, again, I don't do hella bold. I'm just sucking at this today. This eyebrow pencil is literally gone. Well, these suck. So horrible. I'm ashamed. This is like the real struggle, guys. Like, my eyebrows oftentimes suck dick. Such unbelievable trash. Oh well. Urban Decay Afterglow. And this, whatever this kind of brush is. And I'm gonna mix Cliche and No Angel, which are the lightest ones. Highlight. Goddamn. This is like the least put together makeup tutorial I think that I've ever done. I promise I'm not usually this unorganized. Mascara, Better Than Sex from Too Faced. This is my go-to. I don't usually like putting fake lashes on in the summer because I always feel like I end up sweating them off. But this is the way I get longer lashes without concerning myself with the torture that falsies put me through. And honestly, my eyebrows suck dick today, but I still don't want them to move. So this is just an Ulta Beauty brow shaping gel. I'm just gonna brush through this. Ew, God, they're so bad. For lips. Usually in the summer, honestly, I would just use chapstick, but for the sake of today, I'm going to throw on this light pink color because it's super light and pink. This is a matte one, but I honestly, for like the summer, I would suggest like more of a gloss, but I don't have one of those colors right now. We're working with what we got. I don't know why I didn't do this earlier because I should have done it earlier. But blush. This is the Tarte Amazonian Clay Party blush. This is like the only blush that I own. This is an angled blush brush. I hope I don't look like a clown. I can't really tell, I'm using the viewfinder. I'm so sorry that this was kind of a mess. This is my everyday makeup routine, and honestly, like, you did see the real honest to God struggle today. Like, this is my everyday makeup routine. I do screw up a lot. I hope you guys enjoyed this look. My everyday makeup routine to look like glowy and shit for summer. I don't even know what I'm saying at this point. If you want to see more awkward makeup videos, drop a comment, drop a like, subscribe. I'm trash. Like and subscribe if you're also trash. I love you guys, and I will see you in my next video.
So really tell me what it is right now.
Once I do.
With the shit right now.